Assalamualaikum, sir. How are you? Fine, good.
Everything is good.
Yeah, everything is good. Alhamdulillah, sir. This is now. I didn't, what's this? My feelings now is, Alhamdulillah.
Now surprised, good.
Alhamdulillah, for you, sir. For you. Because of you, sir.
Because of you. Allah, He said that.
Alhamdulillah. Yes.
This is the daily product. You can do that. This is the first day there. This is from the court.
Yes.
This is for the court.
Yeah.
This one. Give to them.
Thank
Give
you.
them
Thank you.
certificate about his quality. Okay. Now this paper for the ministry for the interior to give you a civil ID for it. No, this one this ministry minister to give you the button in the his father nationality.
Okay.
This there for the civil ID.
This is for the civil ID.
Yeah, this for the civil ID to make it okay. This quick and you have a civil ID.
Yes.
This one for the has for معالجة الأوضاع المدنية for you. You make your certificate under your sign.
Okay, sir.
Alhamdulillah. We can care for you.
Thank you so much for you, sir, for your helping. I didn't. What's this? What they call? Can I talk to that Tagalog?
Talk to Tagalog.
Yes, hindi po ako nagkamali na ikaw yung pinili ko. Alhamdulillah, dahil sa lahat ng nangyari, sir, you're the one helped me, okay? For 16 years, sir, that's sacrificing of this. And thank you for Allah that they bring me here to Attorney Talal na tinulungan niya ako dahil sa mga experience ko at sa mga nangyari. Sabi ko, baka si Sir Talal yung makatulong sa akin. And I'm here to Attorney Talal. Nagpapasalamat na thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the Allah and thank you for Attorney Talal. And you are a hero, sir, for the people that, sir. Hindi ko,
I cry. No, I don't like to cry.
not sir, because
But I like to see the cry for the
thank you so much,
do
sir.
something good.
Yeah,
The cry
yeah,
for the head.
yes,
I like it.
yes. Thank you, sir, for you and for Allah. I know this paper is very difficult, but I'm here to you. You help me. You fight.
Also, you can take Sarah for that.
Yes, sir.
Because you are mother for the queen.
Yes, I didn't forget this. Don't think, sir, that you helped me. I didn't. What's this? Hindi kita kakalimutan, sir. You are the one, sir, helping. Thank you, sir. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Attorney Talal na tinulungan niya ako. Gaano man kahirap yung papel, pero ipinight ni Attorney Talal yung papers ko sa government. Nandito po ako na ito na po yung paper ni Sultan. Inilaban ko ng ilang taon. Pero ito na, because of Attorney Talal, tinulungan niya ako sa lahat-lahat. Alam ko ang hirap, pero ito na. Ang paper na ito na nagpapatunay ang anak ko. Maraming nagsabi na hindi ako tunay na asawa ni Muhammad, pero ito na dahil kay Attorney Talal, tinulungan niya ako na magkapapel sa Sultan. Sa 16 years ang anak ko na hindi nakapag-aral, pero eto, hindi ko iniwan yung anak ko, ipinaglaban ko. Because of Attorney Talal, tinulungan niya ako, naawa siya sa akin. Kaya eto na, isa na akong nanay ng may anak akong Kuwaiti na tinatawag. Sabi nila, hindi daw anak ni Muhammad, pero eto, nagpapatunay, tinulungan ako ni Attorney sa lahat-lahat. Maraming salamat sa kay Attorney Talal na tinulungan niya ako. Ito na, lumabas na. Kuwaiti na ang anak ko. Sabi nila hindi niyang Kuwaiti, hindi niya anak. Pero eto, ipinapakita ko sa inyo ang katibayan ng lahat-lahat. ni Attorney Bader Altalal Armoteri, and sa lahat ng mga nag-assist sa staff niya, maraming salamat. At sa mga gustong lumapit na may problema kayo sa mga anak ninyo, na mga anak ng mga Kuwaiti o hindi man anak ng Kuwaiti, nandito po si Attorney Talal na handang tumulong sa inyo at tutulungan kayo. Iulit ko. Ito po yung papel na galing sa court na dinipensa ni Attorney Talal para maging Kuwaiti ang aking anak. Maraming salamat.